Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro videos, 164 tuned cars, and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, I have this Choro Chibikko Q-Jet. My one and only Q-Jet guys. So it's I bought this a year ago, and it's hard to find here in the Philippines guys, the Q-Jet. And this one is a Chibikko size. And this aircraft carrier guys, it's my son's toys. And the Choro Chibikko Q-Jet guys is what they call this, perfect fit into this aircraft carrier. As you can see guys, this one guys has no brand. It's made in China. My son's toys. As you can see, in the landing area guys, it's just what they call this, it's for this Chibikko size guys, as you can see. Then this one is the take-off area guys, and also perfect fit, as you can see. Then on the box guys are perfectly fit. So this is an aircraft carrier. The Chibikko size guys will fit in this aircraft carrier. I don't know what's the scale of this one. We just bought it on the mall. It has no brand guys. So it's cute for my Chibikko Q-Jet guys. The one and only Q-Jet in my collection. So guys, this is a Chibikko Choro Jet, and it's made in China. Released this Q-Jet guys in 2004. So this is my only jet in my collection. I'm looking for it, but it's hard to find here in the Philippines guys. And it's a perfect fit into my son's aircraft carrier. I think it's just the same size for Chibikko guys. Although this one guys, it's a unbranded or not branded toy. We just bought it on the local mall here. So again guys, it's perfect for Chibikko. So again guys, this is a Choro Chibikko Q-Jet T-4 model, and production number guys, it's number 3, and it's made in China. I bought it loose a year ago, and still in very good condition, as you can see. Someone request this Q-Jet if I have one, and this is all I have, the only one guys. That's it. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.